Good morning, friends. I am Professor Dr. S.R. Kumbar from Atomic Engineering Department of RIT Rajaramnagar. Welcome all Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering, Computer Engineering, CSIT, and CSE AIML students for second semester's Engineering Science Core Elective presentation. So here I am going to give the presentation of the course Basics of Robotics and Automation, which is having the course code SE185. This course is being offered by the Atomic Engineering Department and Robotics and Automation Engineering Department. So for this course, why to choose this course? Engineering, because in this engineering science core elective, there are different 10 electives. And this basics of robotics and automation is ninth one in that list. So the question comes in your mind, why I should select this particular elective? So specifically for that question, I am here to elaborate the importance of this course in your engineering discipline. So why to choose this engineering science core elective? First and important thing is in our today's world, in every day-to-day life, now we are using automated different systems. So robotics and automation are rapidly growing fields that are becoming increasingly integral to various industries. From manufacturing, healthcare, agriculture, entertainment, these technologies are revolutionizing the work, the way of work which is going to be done. So with the help of this basics of robotics and automation, you will get the foundational understanding of this new technology, and you may become the part of this transformative wave. Another important reason, that is, if you see the content of this basics of robotics and automation or robotics and automation as a whole, this is the interdisciplinary field in which you require the mechanical engineering knowledge, you require the electrical engineering knowledge, you require computer science, IT, AIML, and more. So engaging in this open elective can provide you with a well-rounded education that spans multiple fields, making you a more versatile and adaptable professional. Another reason is by studying this robotics and automation, you will get an opportunity, wide opportunities as far as your career is considered. Because as industry automates processes and integrate robotics in their operation, the demand for professionals with expertise in this robotics and automation is growing. This elective will open the doors, because with the help of this robotics and automation, you are not going to get the full-fledged knowledge, but this open elective will open the doors to a wide range of job opportunities, including robotics engineer, automation specialist, control system engineering. And for such job opportunities, what special skills are required? Because in the next year, when you are coming for second year, you are going to select some minor courses, that is multidisciplinary minor along with your major. So in that minor course, robotics and automation department is going to float the series of important subjects related to this robotics and automation. So this basics of robotics and automation will open the doors to think about whether one can go for selecting that minor subjects. Because if you opt in your next year minor with robotics and automation, you will get your degree, maybe that is BTech ANTC minor in robotics and automation. So if such degrees if you are having, then these particularly job opportunities will open the door to you. Then another one, with the help of this particular robotics and automation course, uh, you will develop your problem solving skill. designing, programming, and troubleshooting robotic system can be intellectually stimulating and offer a chance to develop skills that are valuable in many areas of life and work. So here another one, innovation and entrepreneurship. With a strong foundation in robotics and automation, you might find yourself inspired to create new solutions and innovations. This knowledge can be the basis for starting your own ventures or contributing to existing entrepreneurial initiatives in technology and automation sector. And now in coming days, you might be knowing so many different startups are coming up by budding engineers in this robotics and automation. Another one, that is personal interest. If you are intrigued by the idea of building and interacting with robots, this elective can offer a chance to explore that interest further. And last one, that is preparation for advanced study. If you are considering yourself to study further, these robotics, mechatronics related fields are very that is exciting one, and this elective can provide a strong foundation for advanced coursework and research. So if you see the teaching scheme and evaluation scheme of this basics of robotics and automation, there are 2 lectures per week, 2 credits, IAC 20 marks, 20%, UT1 15, UT2 15, and ESC 50. You are now well convergent with these evaluation schemes. And ISC 81, 82, there is a separate passing, and for ESC there is a separate passing, and for whole course the combined passing of this ISC 81, 82 and ESC. Now, what are the outcomes that are expected from this basics of robotics and automation? So first, at the end of this course, you will be able to explain principles and laws of robotics. Then second, select robot for system automation. Then third, justify requirement of automation. And fourth, illustrate microprocessor and microcontrollers for system automation. So these are the some course outcomes of this robotics and automation. In line with this, if you map with these program outcomes, irrespective of which discipline you are, the program outcomes are nearly same. So explain principle of laws of robotics, that is mapped with strongly mapped with PO1. Then this select robot for system operation, system automation. This is mapped with PO1, then PO2, PO3, PO5. I am not going to describe all these POs. When you will enter in the, when you will choose this and start learning this, I will elaborate at that time how we are mapping this CO with program outcomes. Now, looking to the content of this, particularly robotics and automation, there are 6 units. First unit is Introduction to Robotics, wherein you will see the overview of robotics, historical development, laws of robotic classification, applications of robotics. Then second unit, Robotics Architecture, robot definition, characteristics of robot, terminology, types of joint, link, end effectors. Then third unit, Introduction to Automation. Here we will take the overview of automation, benefits and challenges of automation in industry, historical evolution of automation technology, classification and types of automation systems. Then fourth unit is of electrical and electronic control, wherein we will see the sensors, transistors, microprocessor, microcontroller, and specifically PLCs, that is programmable logic controllers. Then fifth unit is dedicated to actuators, because robotics and automation requires the various types of actuators like hydraulics and pneumatic. You will get oriented to these actuators. And last one, and very important, wherein this robot programming, which is having the very good job opportunity. Now industries are demanding the robot programmers. So with the help of this robot programming, you can develop your mastery and you can get the job as a robot programmer. So under this sixth robot programming, we will have the overview of robot programming techniques, types of programming, robot programming language, etc. For this, there are different textbooks. I will not go in detail. These are the some representative textbooks only. That is AK Gupta, SK, that is one of the very, because all the curriculum, whatever we have just seen, we need 1 to unit 6. All these are covered in AK Gupta. Then reference books are there, and ample copies are available in our central library, as well as I am going to provide you some other books, e-books through the Moodle. Now, if you see the robotics and automation, in today's world, machines and robots do more work than humans. Even in companies, most of the work is done through the machines. Okay, and that's why this robotics and automation, the new engineering that is trending technology is being introduced. Okay, so this is the robot. The uh, word robotics came from robota, meaning forced labor, and it was used in the play in 1921 by Karel Capek. So he is the inventor of this word robot. So such type of this robot you might have seen. So what is robot? A robot is not a human but a machine in which we program it through a computer and give it instructions. The robot work as per the instructions given. So the study of science and technology of robots is called as a robotics. And as we have seen earlier, this involves the electronics, computer science, artificial intelligence, biotechnology, etc. Now, what is automation? Because robotics and automation. So automation is the technique, method, or systems of operating or controlling a process by highly automatic means or by electronic devices. In our day-to-day life, we are observing or we are utilizing this particularly automation technology. When we enter in any mall, the door automatically opens when you comes in front of the door. So such type of automation we are using daily. So what is the difference between robotics and automation? So robotics is a form of automation, so there is no difference. Okay, but in that particularly automation, we will see the principal differences between these. So this manufacturing wherein we are involving the automation, there are certain advantages. Because of this automation, productivity increases, there will be reduction in production cost, human heat fatigue will be reduced, less floor area is required, less maintenance is required. For workers, there will be the better working conditions. We can control the production process effectively, we can improve the quality of the products, we can reduce the accident, and we can enhance the safety of the workers. So, so many different types of the advantages are there. So robots in our every day we are using the robots. In our home also we are having the robots. In home we are using the washing machine, automated washing machine, also laptop. So washing machine is nothing but is a simple level robot. Then automatic machine, washing machine is middle level, and laptop it is a complex level. So there are different applications, wide range of applications of this agricultural robot, construction robot, customer service robots. So in Kolhapur, that is a square in Udyamnagar, there is a hotel that is Idli Square. So in that, waiters are waiters work is being carried out by the robot. There are two robots which are working as a robot, as well as Sangli Municipal Corporation uses the robot for cleaning the switch, that is the uh, water, cleaning the different types of the pipelines. As well as in Kolhapur, we are having the Lokmanya Hospital, as well as in Sahyadri Hospital at Karad, there is a separate department that is robotic surgery. So robots are now becoming a part of our daily life. So inspection robots are there, defense robots are there, material handling robots are there, humanoid robots are there, cleaning robots are there, logistic robots, medical robots, collaborative robots. So everywhere you will find these robots. So according to the different work, there are different types of the robots. I will not take much more time. Domestic robot used for cleaning, sanitation, industrial operations, for lifting, packaging, military operations, medical operations, space, services, human robot. Uh, you might have seen various movies on the robots, just like as a robot, Terminator, Robocam. So robot of the Rajnikant. So you might have that is seen this particularly a movie in which you can imagine the power of robots. So these are the some of the interesting movies. So this is the humanoid robots. Sophia, the first humanoid robot, which got the uh, citizenship at the Saudi Arabia. Rashmi, it is the uh, humanoid robot developed by Srivastav at Ranchi, which is conducting the Ask Rashmi program on radio. The Shalu, designed and developed by the Professor Dinesh Patel at CBSE Kendriya Vidyalay IIT Powai. And this Shalu robot is now teaching to the students of CBCSE. So this is the about the Sophia citizenship, which was developed by the David Hansen. Then this is the Rashmi, the first Hindi-speaking robot, Ranjit Srivastav, who developed this. He operates the robot Ask Rashmi on the Red FM. Then Shalu, as described earlier, Dinesh Patel invented this, developed this, and this particularly Shalu is now robot teacher, and this is also included in syllabus of CBSE. So apart from that, there are so many different robots available: Manav, Robocom, Mitra, Daksha, Indro. All these robots you will that is the way to learn in this basics of robotics. Robotic surgery, I have already described that. So recently during the COVID, you might have seen such type of this Ganpati festival, Aarti by robot in the temple. That particular robot was developed by PAPL, that is Patil Automation Private Limited, Pune. Then these are the robots everywhere. Robots at home, co-workers, education, public, security, healthcare. Why these robots? Why, apart from human being, why we are going for robots? Because there are four reasons: the places or activities that can harm the people, that is the dangerous work where people cannot work, or the boring work, long and repetitive tasks, then dirty, that is unpleasant work, that is serious and mines, and as well as that is the duplicate, very delicate, that is very difficult to do with the hands. So for these particularly four deeds, that is dangerous, duplicate, dirty, and delicates, so we are utilizing the robots. So this particularly BTech robotics and automation we already started in our that is RIT. And if you are opting for minor degree, definitely from next year onwards, you are going to get the knowledge of robotics and automation field. So I welcome all these students to this new exciting engineering course, which will help to excite yourself in day-to-day life while using various gadgets. So thank you. Thank you very much.